Have you ever seen that bottle of castor oil in Grandma's house and wondered why she swears by it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 12 amazing ways to use castor oil every day that might just make you love it as much as she does. Stay tuned to find out how this old-school remedy can freshen up your routine. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Health I Seek, your go-to hub for all things health and wellness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our health tips and tricks. Okay, so today we're talking about a true old-time favorite. Guess what? Castor oil. Disclaimer. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. While castor oil has some amazing benefits, it's important to remember that it's not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. Always check with your healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. All right, let's get into it. 12 amazing benefits of castor oil. No. 1. Moisturizer and skin softener. Let's start with something simple. Keeping your skin soft and moisturized. Castor oil isn't just any oil, it's like a super drink for your skin. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a special kind of fatty acid that really locks in moisture. Imagine this, just a tiny dab of castor oil before bed can take your skin from dry and flaky to soft and smooth overnight. It's that powerful, and it feels great not to wake up with dry skin, right? 2. Acne treatment. Now, let's talk about something a bit trickier, acne. If you're tired of those annoying blemishes, castor oil might just become your skin's new best friend. It's not only soothing, but also comes loaded with antimicrobial properties that fight off acne-causing bacteria. Just a small dab on your troubled spots can calm the redness and help clear your skin. Plus, it's a natural remedy, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your face. 3. Promotes hair growth. Who doesn't want thick, gorgeous hair? If that's what you're after, castor oil might just be what you need. Just imagine. A few drops of this oil massaged into your scalp could work wonders. It helps increase blood flow right to your hair roots, providing them with the nourishment they need to grow healthier and faster. So if you're dreaming of that perfect hair flip, start with castor oil. It's not just for a good hair day, it's for a good hair life. 4. Natural conditioner. Let's talk about split ends and dry hair. Every hair enthusiast's nightmare, right? Well, castor oil is here to rescue your tresses. Packed with rich fatty acids, it doesn't just sit on your hair. It penetrates deep into your hair shaft, bringing back the moisture your hair has been crying out for. With regular use, you'll notice your hair doesn't just grow, it shines and feels healthier. Say goodbye to brittle hair and hello to soft, touchable locks that look just as good as they feel. 5. Soothes joint pain. Got achy joints that just won't quit? Castor oil might just be the soothing touch you need. This oil isn't just any remedy. It's loaded with anti-inflammatory powers that can seriously ease your pain. Just massage it into your sore joints and feel the relief wash over you. It's gentle, natural, and feels like a comforting hug for your pains. Imagine easing into your day without that nagging joint pain. That's the magic of castor oil. If you're still here, why not hit that subscribe button and join the community? 6. Enhances immune function. Ever wish you could give your immune system a little boost, especially during cold season? Well, castor oil could be your secret weapon. Just using a little castor oil pack can rev up your body's defenses by increasing white blood cells. These little warriors are crucial in fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. Think of it as an easy, natural boost to your body's guard team, helping you stay healthier and more resilient against those pesky germs. 7. Natural sleep aid. Struggling to fall asleep? Sometimes, all you need is a little castor oil. Try dabbing a bit on your eyelids before bed. It might sound unusual, but many people find that its soothing properties help calm the mind and body. It's like a gentle, all-natural nudge into dreamland. Give it a try on those nights when sleep seems just out of reach, and you might just find yourself drifting off more peacefully than you thought possible. 8. Digestive health. Castor oil has a long-standing reputation as a natural laxative, and for good reason. If you're feeling a bit backed up, a teaspoon of castor oil on an empty stomach can get things moving. It helps cleanse your system and can improve your gut health overall. Just a heads up though, go easy with the amount. A little goes a long way, and it's important to find the right balance for your body. 9. Eyebrow and eyelash growth. Who doesn't want fuller eyebrows and longer lashes? If you've been searching for a natural way to boost your brow and lash game, castor oil might just be your secret weapon. Just a little bit applied with a clean mascara brush or cotton swab each night can nourish those tiny hairs. Over time, you'll notice they start to fill in and lengthen, giving you that bold, beautiful look naturally. Plus, it's all without the harsh chemicals found in some beauty products. 10. Natural lip balm. Moving on to a common nuisance: dry, chapped lips. They aren't just uncomfortable, they can really throw off your smile. Thankfully, castor oil is a fantastic natural remedy. Its thick, soothing texture provides deep moisture and creates a protective barrier on the skin. Just a small dab on your lips can bring instant relief and a healthy gloss. Use it on its own or layer it under your favorite lipstick for a smooth, supple finish that lasts. 11. Cuticle care. Want to give your nails some love? Try rubbing a little castor oil into your cuticles every night. It's like a mini spa treatment right at home. Castor oil helps keep your cuticles soft, which means no more painful cracking. Plus, it nurtures your nails, helping them grow stronger and healthier. Just a small drop can make a big difference. Your hands will thank you. 12. Smooth legs. And here's a tip for anyone who shaves. Swap out your regular shaving cream for castor oil. Not only is it a natural option, but it also does wonders for your skin that helps the razor glide super smoothly, reducing nicks and cuts. After you're done, you'll notice your legs aren't just hair-free, they're also incredibly soft and moisturized. It's a game changer for your shaving routine. And that's a wrap. 12 awesome ways to use castor oil every single day. This amazing oil can do so much for your hair, skin, health, and more. It's truly a must-have in every household. Why not try out a few of these ideas? Whether it's getting smoother skin, healthier hair, or just trying a natural remedy, castor oil might just surprise you. Share how it goes in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Health I Seek. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our daily tips for a healthier life. Catch you next time with more great health advice. Until then, take care and stay healthy.